How to sign out of Game Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Next, from the main settings page, we then scroll down and then in here, we tap on Game Center. Now in here, we scroll down to the bottom and you will notice there is a sign out button. So tap on sign out, then tap on sign out again from the pop-up. And that's it. Give it a few moments and you'll be signed out of Game Center. Once you want to play Game Center again, you need to go back in here and tap on the toggle button and then you turn it on and then you need to sign back into your Game Center. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.